Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Speak Fluent English. So in today's video, I am going to share some simple but very powerful English vocabulary. In normal English, we can say fit and healthy, but in advanced, we should say fit as the fiddle, busy, tied up, mad, out of mind, time to study, time to hit the books, like you, so into you. Text me, hit me up, very beautiful, drop dead gorgeous. Leave me alone, give me a break. Eat food, have a meal. In normal English, we can say fat, but in advanced English, big bone. Scared, cold feet, very kind, heart of gold. Ask you a question, pick your brain. Time to sleep, hit the bed. Keep quiet, zip your lips. Lazy, couch potato. Not sure, on the fence. Focus, keep your eye. Okay, so the next is tired or worn out. I am happy, I am over the moon. I am sad, I am feeling blue. I understand, I get the picture. I don't know, I have not got a clue. I agree, we see eye to eye. I'm confused, I'm all mixed up. I'm hungry, I'm starving. I am excited, I am pumped up. I am angry, I'm foaming. Go away, get lost. Hurry up, step on it. Be quiet, put a sock in it. It's easy, it's a piece of cake. It's hard, it's a tough nut to crack. It's expansive, it cost an arm and leg. I am scared, I am freaking out. Good job, kudos to you. I will help you, I will got your back. Let's meet up, let's catch up. I hope you all enjoyed this video and learned a lot of new and exciting vocabulary. So if you found these phrases helpful, don't forget to practice them in your daily conversation. The more you use them, the more natural they will feel. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more. Allah Hafiz. And keep leveling up your English.